Now students, we will see that what are the reasons of growing different types of crops from the same piece of land in the village Palampur. Which type of techniques they are utilizing, that they are growing jowar and bajra also, wheat also, sugarcane also, and some other crops also, whatever they are deciding. So we will see what are the reasons for these three types of different crops in a year. So the first one will be well developed system of irrigation. Earlier the farmers, they were dependent upon only the rain, but after the development in the system of the irrigation, from the same piece of land they can do irrigation in different times of the year, and they can cultivate different types of crops. Number two will be electricity. So this village, it is a very blessed village, I can say that, because electricity is being provided to this village, and because of the electricity there is transformation in the system of irrigation. Now each and every farmer, they have set up their own private tube wells, and that's why they can irrigate their land. और आपको पता है बेटा, plants में अगर हम पानी नहीं डालेंगे तो क्या होगा, ये कुछ समय के बाद सूख जाएगा. But all the farmers, they are having their private tube wells, so they can set up they can do irrigation whenever they want. Now multiple cropping system, that's why they have adopted. Now you will ask, what is the meaning of multiple cropping system? If we are doing cropping in the same piece of land, and if we are cultivating different types of crops in the same piece of land, so that is known as multiple cropping system. Now in the year 1960, Green Revolution has been done, and it has totally revolutionized the agricultural sector of India. After the Green Revolution, high yielding seeds have come into existence, and from this high yielding variety of seeds from the same piece of land, the production got quadrupled. Means पहले जहाँ पे हम 100 किलोग्राम cultivate कर रहे थे, now totally 4 times they were cultivating because of the using of this HYB seeds, and this was possible because of the Green Revolution that had happened in the year 1960. Now this high yielding variety of seeds, they will require chemical fertilizers and pesticides. Yes, we can say that these chemical fertilizers and pesticides, they are not good for the crops, but this high yielding variety seeds, they need this. But the advantage was that the same piece of land started to grow more and more crops, and this is the reason why the farmers, they are able to grow different types of crops in the same piece of land. So I have written here on all the topics in points: well developed system of irrigation, then electricity came, then Green Revolution, chemical fertilizers. You all note down this.